plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amy's Art House. Today I am making a very simple Pokemon, just a little Spheal, our favorite circular seal. I absolutely love it. I hope that you guys enjoy it too. So I'm using my large circular hole punch for the body, and I use several circular and oval punches for the mouth, the ears, the eyes, and the little fins as well. So the day that I was making Spheal, I was actually having a terrible day. I just felt really down, and I thought to myself, which Pokemon will single-handedly cheer me up of the ice-type Pokemon I planned? And the answer was Spheal. And it worked. I made it, and I just stared at it, and I felt a little better. That's the nice thing about having a hobby that you enjoy, especially if you're not super serious about it, you know? Like, I don't get disappointed at my Pokemon art anymore. I just, like, oh, I made that. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Like, I feel good now, so... Yeah, I don't know. Do you guys know what I mean? I hope you do. I'm kind of rambling, but... Next, I'm doing his ears, which are so tiny. Although, I guess they're bigger than a real-life seal's ears, right? I always wanted to have a Spheal on my team, but I think by the time they appear in the game, it's kind of later on, and I'd already have like an established team made, and I just would go, oh, I don't want to train it. So I've never had a team with this Spheal. I would like to. I think it's a very sweet Pokemon. I am still playing Omega Ruby. I think I have 6 gym badges now, so that's good. I think I just arrived at Lily Cove City. So, getting ready to sail the ocean. Which that was one of my favorite things about the original Ruby game, was all of the ocean that you get to explore. It's very cool. Oh, and diving. Do any other Pokemon games have that, like, diving feature? I can't remember. For the eyes, I decided to do some little hearts for the sparkle, just for that extra cuteness factor. And I couldn't decide what hole punches to use for his dots, so you see I use a few different types and end up trimming them down with my precision scissors. Next, I'm thinking about how I will outline him, because the paper he's going on is very light in color. You can see here I smudged the black pen a little bit, so I ended up deciding to outline everything just to hide it. Sometimes that happens. I mean to outline just one section, but when I smudge, I decide I have to do a thick line. Oh, and I haven't done his nostrils yet. There they are. Beautiful. I really like this snowflake paper. It's slightly shiny. It reminds me of gift wrap. And now I am picking out a washi tape to tape the background down with. I decided to stick with my shiny theme. Since the paper was shiny, I'm using some shiny gold washi tape. And I follow up with a little bit of blue washi tape. I thought that it matches Spheal really nicely. I also decided to add these circular stickers to kind of look like like it's a page tacked on a wall, if that makes sense. I guess I'm still obsessed with stickers after making Swinub, so I had to use a few stickers. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you all again soon. Bye!